Many large US retailers are bracing themselves for turbulent times, as President Donald Trump's changing economic policies could sharply increase the cost of importing goods, some of which will almost certainly be passed on to consumers. But thrift stores in the country are seeing a potential boost from the tariffs, as second-hand sellers, who don't bear any import costs, are hoping that customers will flock to their stores in search of bargains. Shares of ThredUp and Savers Value Village, the two largest publicly traded thrift stores in the US, have climbed since Trump announced his so-called Liberation Day tariffs on April the 2nd. And even after Trump announced a 90-day pause on what he called his reciprocal tariffs, the remaining 10% blanket levy on most imports, as well as a combined 145% duty on goods from China, is expected to raise consumer prices. Analysts have warned that costs for clothing and toys in particular could increase sharply in the coming months due to the US fashion and merchandise industry's heavy reliance on imports from China. That could push more bargain-hunting buyers towards thrift stores. But it's not all good news for the industry. Insiders say that in a climate of increased uncertainty and rising fears of unemployment, consumers might decide to buy less altogether. They might also hold on to their existing items for longer, which could leave resellers with a smaller pool and potentially worse quality of inventory.